Now we'll see the second question. The second question is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. So our first step is to solve any linear equation is to separate the constant and the variables. Here we are clearly seeing that the variable is n is the variable, and all the term of n's are already in equals this side. So here's no n term. The first step already is done. Then second, what we will do, that we are seeing that we cannot directly plus or minus this all these n's because the denominator of all these are different. So first we have to do that the LCM, we will take the LCM to make this denominator same. Why? In the first question, what we have done, we have done the cross multiplication method, or we can say butterfly method. We have applied, but here we can apply that method also. But by applying that method, the question get little bit of lengthy. So what we will do? We will do the LCM of all these three denominator. What is in denominator? 2, 4 and 6. हम क्या करेंगे? We'll take the LCM of it. So 2 1 time, 2 2 time, 6 3 time. Then 2 1 1 1 and 3 as it is. Then 3. I hope you all know how to take LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 12. The LCM is 12. Now हम क्या करेंगे? सभी के इसमें 12 लिख देंगे यहाँ पर. Now what is required to make these 2's 12 is multiplication of 6 multiplied by 6 upside multiplied by 6 by downside. So 2 is, this is 2 6 are 12. Here will come 6 and here sign is minus. Again this 4 and we have to make the 12. So multiply by 3 down in denominator, multiply by 3 in numerator. So it will come 9n here again, then plus, then here 6 is there. So 6 2s are 12, multiply denominator by 2, multiply by numerator by 2, plus 10n equals to 21. Now solve this. Minus 3n, 6n minus 9n. The 9 minus 6 is 3n. The बड़े की साइन क्या है? माइनस. So we will apply here minus. Plus 10n whole upon 12 equals to 21. See here 7n by 12 equals to 21. So here 12 is in the denominator, it means it is in division. Here इसको इधर ट्रांसफर करके आएगा, जब मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा तो 7n equals to 21 into 12 and n equals to here 7. Here 7 is in multiplication of m. By transferring it will become in denominator. So by 7 1 time, 7 3s are 21. So n equals to 3 into 12. Then n equals to 36. Our value of n has come is 30. Remaining question in our next video. So thank you for watching this video.